You want to know how to open these bags? Now, if that's what you're here for, this video is probably going to change your life for the better. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, and fortunately my wife had to go out and get some more coffee this morning, and I forgot to tell her not to open one of the bags. So anyway, I'll show you how we open one of these bags, or any bag like this, but this is with obviously coffee beans, how to open it without getting it to tear, and all the beans go everywhere when you're trying to pour it in the hopper, etc, etc, etc. Now, yeah, you could just like cut the whole lot off the top, but then you have a massive big bag opening. So I'm just going to show you how to open this bag in a professional way. So you get a nice little pouring spout, you can pour it in and then clip it back up and seal it up. So what we do to seal it up is we use one of these. What?
Daddy?
Yeah?
Before you start the video, I need to say something.
What?
I hope your morning started well, guys.
A demonstration of what goes wrong. So look, I'm in the kitchen and I've got that. Now you all know that. That's why you're here. That is what normally happens. You cut it a little way or whatever, it tears. Now you try and pour those beans into a hopper now. They end up going up all over the place, and you spend up the next 5 or 10 minutes clearing up your beans. So I'm now going to show you a way which I hope will change your life for the better. Okay, so that is how it normally ends up, or it's ripped, or you cut it like that and it doesn't quite, it's still connected, and then you cut it across like that, and then it just ends up a mess and it rips. Okay, so we've got this one here, my little decaffeinated one. So what we're going to do now is show you how to quickly open that. So the only tool you need is a pair of scissors. Right, okay, so I spent some time thinking about this. So this is what I'm saving you time. Right, so what you do is you turn the packet over that way. Right, that's the most important bit. Now, you've got this fold here. All right, so whichever way the fold is pointing, you start on that corner. So this one, it's pointing that way, so we start on this corner. If the fold happened to point that way, we'd be starting on this corner. So the reason these are really difficult to open, because one, that they really are glued, the heat's glued here. If you look, it's heated along here. I'm going to go through all the basics so that you actually know exactly what you're doing. So look, this is all sealed. So it's sealed here, here, and then it also continues along there, and it's sealed. So if you were just to cut this corner bit, that's fine. You cut these two bits up, and then it's still sealed in here. So the secret is we've got to go past that join there. So just to keep things simple, what the formula I've worked out is basically you open that, and then you just cut up to about 1 centimetre from here, and then you're going to have cleared that glue join. Okay, so look, you bend it over that there, see you've got the glue join there. So what we're going to do is we're going to run along the bottom here, along here, and then we're going to curve up about 1 centimetre from this join here, like that. Okay, so let me just get my scissors here. So I'm going to cut along there and up. All right, I've got my video on a stand for once. Okay, so here we go. Right, so what you do, obviously once you get to the hack of this, it'll take 5 seconds. Start here, you cut along here, like that. And then here we start to go up, like that. There we are. That's what we've done, look. Now look what happens, look. Open that up like that, look. Look at that. This is it, honestly, it's changed my life. It's changed my life for the better. I'm a different man. Life's like it. So that means now, look how easy that is to pour. And then the reason that we're not cutting the whole thing off is because when you want to close that back up, you can literally, you've got a couple of ways of doing it, but I just usually got some really long ones which I can't seem to find at the moment, but they go right across there like that. Bang, job done. So that's sealed. And then every time you want to pour some more in, which I'll show you now, so that's not ripped, it's not torn anywhere. So look, just to show you how easy that is to think, I'm going to put some beans in my decaf mill. Look, there's the thing like that. Look. Not going everywhere, look at that. Lovely. Now, as you all know, which is why you're watching that, if you were to try and do that with that, you just get beans everywhere. So, I really do hope this video will change your life. It's changed my life. So, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, subscribe, send me a comment, and just remember the most important thing, you can do it. See you on the next video.